you try to riz me?
Be a good boy, walk away.
I'm just like a little anime girl, don't mind me.
Ever wondered what happens when the mischievous virtual stinker Kasane Teto jumps into your Roblox game? Let's find out as we troll players with her iconic anime voice. So obviously I sound pretty normal right now, but if we go ahead and open EaseUS voice changer, I have Kasane Teto pulled up right here, and if I turn it on,
No, as you cannot hear, I am now her, with her beautiful anime voice. And I'll be using this awesome girl voice changer to troll some random players in real time that will not see me coming. But now, I think we are ready to get to some trolling. Hey.
Wear red. You gotta wear red.
Yeah, I'll wear red for you. Just for you. Sammy, I have a question.
I'm not Sammy though.
Oh, well, the team member of Sammy. Can you try to riz me?
What was your name again?
I go by
Oh wait. I remember. Beautiful.
Cousin. Yo! Did you see that? He jumped. This is bad. This is really bad. Don't underestimate the power of bread. Do you like bread? I know I like bread. Is that just me though?
I'm back. I'm back.
Oh, I thought you were gone forever, dude. Oh. Kito's coming for you. Don't try to run me.
okay.
You didn't try to run, right? Do you like bread? Yeah, I do too. Yes. Sir, I've heard a lot of things about you. Oh. Okay. Kito's coming for you. Don't underestimate the power of bread.
Be a good, no. Be a good boy and walk away.
What?
Be a good boy, walk away. Be a good boy and walk away.
What the heck?
Be a good boy and walk away.
And now, let's see how they react to the big reveal of turning it off. Yo, bro, what are you trying to say right now? What are you trying to say? Hey, come back here.
No.
Yo, she is not happy.
Who?
Tito, okay? She was just talking with you right now, a second ago. Now they put me on the mic because you disrespected them and her bread.
Oh, I'm sorry. My fault.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, be a good boy, walk away.
OMG, you sound a little sus. Are you the imposter?
Bro, what?
I'm just like a little anime girl, don't mind me.
Yeah, can we like...
Hey dude, what was that?
Bro, go iPhone.
Guys, how about we sing together while we wait for this thing to happen?
Nah.
You sound sus. Are you the imposter?
No.
No? I'm just a little anime girl. You like that?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go, queen. Let's sing in celebration for this connection.
Yeah. Come back. Pull your pants down real slow.
What? Oh my gosh.
No, I didn't say anything.
But real quick, I know you may be a little bit confused, so let's close out of Roblox and check out the VoiceWave voice changer. So they have tons of voices, hundreds of different voices as you guys can see here, but all of them might not be your fit. So what you can do is just search for whatever you may want. Let's say Kasane Teto.
Boom. Here it is right there with just a simple search. And we can also see some other trending voices that other people doing, like Elon Musk, E-Girl, the random E-Girl voices, LeBron James, okay? You know, you guys can really go crazy and just choose whatever you want.
And it's compatible on tons of games like Fortnite, Roblox, Discord, whatever game has voice chat, you can link it up. And for example, linking it up on Roblox is extremely simple because all you gotta do is press escape, settings, and then on input device, all you guys gotta do is scroll until you see default VoiceWave microphone EaseUS virtual device. And just like that, it's listening in to your voice changer. But thank you for sticking along till the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel down below, and let us know what other voices or trolling you want us to do next. Turn on the subscription bell to get notified of any new uploads, and we'll catch you in the next video or in one of those videos on the end screen if you want to watch those. We'll see y'all. Bye bye.